Google Voice versus Sideline. So Google Voice is a free service from Google that gives you a secondary phone number for calls, texts, and voicemail. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So it's free to use for calls, text, and voicemail around US only, and it works seamlessly across devices, web, iOS, or Android. It also has a call forwarding, which lets you manage multiple devices with one number, and it integrates easily with other Google services and is even reliable and trusted by the brand backing, which is Google itself. The cons though, it is only limited to the US, and it lacks advanced business features, and it requires a Google account, and even internet connection is needed for full functionality. Now, Sideline, on the other hand, is a paid app that provides a second phone number for professionals and small businesses. Unlike Google Voice, it works over your carrier network, which means quality is usually better. So let's talk about the pros and cons. For the pros, it uses carrier networks. It's also designed for professionals and small businesses. It offers business features like team number sharing and auto reply. It also works in multiple countries, not just the US. And it offers custom voicemail and branding options. The problem with this, though, is it requires a paid subscription. It lacks the deep ecosystem integrations that Google offers, and it may be unnecessary for personal use. So if you want a free, single, and simple second number for personal use, then choose Google Voice. But if you need a professional grade second line with business features and better carrier reliability, choose Sideline.